BMW tuning. Wow, nice. Oil. Nice oil. Now I need to pee. Always clean your fingers for later. Best product. Has it? Oh, 5 liters. Almost there. Nice. This and this. A little dip. Like a chicken McNugget. Oh. Hey. Come on. Perfect. Nice. Oh, clean it. As good as new. Save money. Empty. Clean it well. Moist. Bye-bye. Fresh oil. Delicious. So much oil. $1.5 liters more. Almost. Perfect. And now the finishing touches. 25 Newton meters. Oh yes, that's exactly 25. I feel it. Back in the hole. Finished. Good work. Perfect. Like in the bedroom.